Alright guys, second day of dove hunting here. We're at the same spot as I shot the first day in the morning. Yesterday we came in the afternoon and we were there. We were right there. It's like a little field there, but it was a fine afternoon. For some reason, I don't know. This morning they came, it was flying. But let's see. It's pretty hot right now. I'm in the shade for a little bit and see how it goes. It's gonna be started flying. This one right there already. They flew a couple here when I haven't got here yet. But yeah, see how we do the second day. All right, guys. I just shot 2 birds down, double down, but I don't know. You think I can find any of these bushes right here? I don't think so. Shot one down here somewhere. And couldn't find it. I shot one somewhere over there by these little taller grass, but see if I can find that one. If not, I guess I'll just have to shoot more. Found one. Alright, I'm gonna go back and try to find that one right there somewhere. Okay. Here we got my Weatherby Element Waterfowl in Max 5. Carson. Full choke. With shark cam. I'm shooting these upland fast tail from Kent today. Yesterday I was shooting federals. These are shot 6. Yeah, shot 6.